Hello, it's nice to see you again. Today, we will be learning how to convert base 10 numerals to binary numbers. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to convert base 10 numerals to binary numbers. In the previous lesson, we learned how to count and represent binary numbers in base 10. Do you recall that? Great! In this lesson, we will learn how numbers in base 10 are converted to binary. There are many methods for achieving this, but for the purpose of this lesson, we shall use the ladder method of long division. Please note, since we are converting to base 2, that is, binary, the divisor must always be 2. Alright then, let's get started by converting the number 5 in base 10 to binary. The first step is to get our ladder ready, like this. Then we slot in our divisor, which is always 2 when converting to binary, and then the dividend, which in this case is 5. Next we divide 5 by 2 and write the remainder by the side. 5 divided by 2 is 2, remainder 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, remainder 0. Then we bring down our divisor 2. Since 1 cannot be divided by 2, we just put 0 and write the remainder of 1. And voila! We are done! Now, we write the remainders from the bottom to the top to get the binary equivalent of the decimal number. In this case, 5 base 10 is equal to 101 in base 2. Want to try more examples? Awesome! Let's convert 13 in base 10 to base 2. Just like the previous example, the first step is to get our ladder ready, like this. Then we slot in our divisor, which is always number 2, and the dividend, which in this case is 13. Next we divide 13 by 2 and write the remainder by the side. 13 divided by 2 is 6, remainder 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3, remainder 0. 3 divided by 2 is 1, remainder 1. Then we bring down our divisor. Since 1 cannot divide 2, we put 0 and write the remainder of 1. And we are done. As usual, we write the remainder from the bottom to the top to get the binary equivalent of the decimal number. In this case, 13 base 10 is equal to 1101 in base 2. Is it a bit clearer now? Hopefully, I get a yes. Excellent! Let's do one more example. Convert 18 base 10 to binary. Again, the first step is to get our ladder ready, like this. Then we slot in our divisor, which is always 2, and the dividend, which in this case is 18. Next, we divide 18 by 2 and write the remainder by the side. 18 divided by 2 is 9, remainder 0. 9 divided by 2 is 4, remainder 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2, remainder 0. 2 divided by 2 is 1, remainder 0. Then we bring down our divisor, 2. Since 1 cannot divide 2, we write 0 and put the remainder of 1. And we are done! As usual, we write the remainders from the bottom to the top to get the binary equivalent of the decimal number. In this case, 18 base 10 is equal to 10010 in base 2. Good job for following to the end of the lesson. I really hope you enjoyed the lesson. Today we learned how to convert base 10 numerals to binary numbers in 3 to 4 simple steps. See you in the next lesson. Bye!